What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my feminine routine and also my in and out the shower routine. If that's something you would like to see, just keep watching. First, I like to start off by lighting me a candle, and this candle smells really good. It's by Bath & Body, and this is their winter candy apple. I believe this is a seasonal type of candle. So now that it's lit, I'm going to hop in the shower. These are the products that I'm going to be using today, and I'm using some of the Curlsmith to wash my hair. So first I'm going to wet the hair, and then I'm going to go in with the curl quenching conditioner wash, and this conditioning wash just moisturizes my hair and also detangle it. So I use this on my real hair and it does amazing, you guys. Like, this product is so good. And yes, I am washing a wig in the shower, mind your business. But yeah, I'm just going to go in with that and I'm just going to wash it out. Look at the shine that it gave my hair. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Core Strength shampoo, and this shampoo is great if you're transitioning, but I just put it on this hair because the hair was getting a little dry, so I was like, let me just put some moisture in it. So now it's time to get down to business for real, and don't mind my nail, y'all. I'm going through it. So right now I'm washing with my bar soap by Dove, and it's just the non-scented one, I believe, and I do use this on my downstairs area. This is the only soap I use down there other than the honey pot, but I'm not using that today. Now I am using the Dove Rose Oil Renewing Wash, and this smells so good. Yeah, I just wanted to keep it, you know, a pink type of theme. And like I said, I do not use this down there. I just use it to make me smell good. I don't know, it just makes me feel good to get out the shower and actually have a scent. Also gonna go in with this sugar scrub. It's the scent watermelon. Got it from Target, and y'all, I literally smelled like a Jolly Rancher when I got out the shower. I was like, oh my god, this smells so good. I love the consistency of this. It's not like your regular Tree Hut. It's like a thicker consistency. And I'm also gonna go in with my African scrub. Y'all know I love an African scrub. You can get this off of Amazon. It just really helps to get the skin off. And I also shaved right before this video, so that's why I did exfoliate today. And yeah, I'm just gonna go into doing my hair. And I still want to go in with the Curlsmith line. I'm using all their products. This is the in-shower fixer, but I'm not in the shower, obviously. But I really love the hold that it gives my curls. And I'm also going to be using my Denman brush just to, you know, define the curls. But look at the curls, y'all. Like, I love this wig, okay? So next I'm going in with the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, and this is just a type of cream just to give it a little more definition. And now I'm going in with the Tin Skin, and let me put y'all on. This is the best after a good shave. It eliminates all the dark marks, all the bumps, all that good stuff. Now I'm going in with the deodorant by Dove. I love this product. I don't use Secret, any other products. I just use this one, and I love it. Now I'm using the Crest 3D Whitening Toothpaste, and it is amazing. All the other toothpastes that I've used, they are lying, y'all. They don't be whitening my teeth like this toothpaste does. So now I'm going to floss my teeth and go right back into jamming, y'all. If you're not having fun during your self-care routine, then what are you doing? Because, child, I be having fun, okay? So now I'm going in with the TheraBreath, and I really love this because it does not burn. That's the only reason I got it, because, child, I cannot stand the burn of a Listerine, okay? And this is just a product my dentist gave me because your girl got cavities, okay? Not even gonna lie. Yeah, we got cavities over here. So yeah, I just gotta switch this for 1 minute and then spit it out. So now I'm using the aloe vera gel, and I'm going to be doing a dermaplan at home. I do not advise everybody to do this because you might cut your face, but the best tip I can give you is to stretch your skin like tight, make it tight as possible. I really love this. It really gives my skin a glow. And if you see bumps on my face, just know that Mother Nature is here. She needs to take back her little friends because we're not liking it over here. So now I'm going in with my favorite wash for my face, and it's the Panoxyl foaming wash, and I absolutely love this. It really gives my skin a glow. Like I said, I do have a few bumps here and there, but that's only because Mother Nature made her, you know, extended stay on my face. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit on my face for about 10 minutes, and yeah. So now I'm washing my face with a washcloth. Normally I just splash water on my face in the shower, but for the sake of this video, I wanted to show y'all outside of my shower routine. Now I'm just going to be putting on my car mats because we do not want chapped lips for this winter. And this bio oil is just a skincare oil. It basically just removes all those dark marks and just promotes a healthier skin. Well, although I would not, you know, recommend if you have really sensitive skin. Unlike me, I have very dry skin, so I needed it. It's my cute little outfit that I got from Shein, and it was only $5. So now I'm going to be taking all my supplements, my vitamins, all the good stuff that, you know, keeps me healthy. So now I'm going to be taking my hair, skin, and nails gummies. I really love these. They're super good and they promote hair growth and nail growth, and they also are really good. Next, I'm going to be taking my vitamin C, and this is just to make sure my immune is up to par, making sure that I don't catch any of these colds or viruses that are out now. So next I'm going to be icing my face, and I just got this ice mold from Target and I really love it. Normally I use a water bottle, but doing this just helps my face feel so refreshing. I really love it. So if y'all don't know, I just recently got a new tattoo, and I was recommended to use the unscented lotion by Aveeno, so that's what I'm using right here. So this is just the Dr. Teal's sleep lotion. It has melatonin and essential oils in it, and I just need this to help me more relaxed at night, especially for my self-care nights. Next, I'm just going to be bringing my candle in my room and plugging my phone up so that I can write down my affirmations. And this book says putting the pro in procrastinate, because y'all know that's me. My room is clean. Look at it, y'all. This looks so nice. So now it's this new app that I use. It's called I Am, and it just have different quotes that you can use. You can also use it for your screensaver. I absolutely love this app. You also can change the theme on it. So right now I'm just going to be writing down some things that are relatable to me. You also don't have to pay for this app, which is great. After I am done doing that, making sure I have all the quotes that I want for the day written down, I'm just going to be grabbing my You Are a Badass book. And I really love this book because it just motivates me. So I'm only on the first chapter of this book because I've been procrastinating as usual, but it just really enlightens you and gives you an open mind about different things. Certain things aren't always what it seems, and our subconscious mind believes everything because it doesn't know what's true and what's not true, which is why it's very important to protect the subconscious mind. And I'm going to be ending my night watching Vampire Diaries. I don't know why nobody told me about this series. I absolutely love it. I have been binge watching for like 2 days now, and I'm already on season 2. So this is how I'm going to be ending my night. I hope you all enjoyed this very relaxing video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.